Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have a TaoTronics fan with a remote and you need to replace the battery on the remote or change or put in a new battery on it. Now, you might be here because you know you need to replace the battery, or you might be here because your remote control is not working and you're trying to figure out why it's not working or not responding. And it very well may be that you need to change the battery because these batteries in here don't last forever. They're not rechargeable. We use them until they go out and then we replace them, and they're very easy to replace and they're not expensive. It's a CR2025 battery. That's kind of the hardest thing, is just getting the battery. I'll put a link in the description to where you can get a battery like this for a few bucks. And all we're gonna do is we're gonna turn our controller over and we're gonna come and push this little button here. And this little button is going to pop open the battery compartment. We'll slide it out. You'll see the battery is sitting in a little tray. You'll just pop it out and pop in your new CR2025 battery, having the plus side up, just kind of set in there, sitting up, and then slide the tray back in, close the remote, and you're done. So anyways, if this video helped, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching.